This is a PAVA CS audio amplifier, CS 3000 watt. You can see here all our transistors are positive, 2SC5200, and this is the positive voltage. And here you can see this all are negative transistor, 2SA. This is negative voltage, and you can see some component are missing here. No, I don't have any resistance. Now I am going to use this. I'm going to fix this component. For this case, I need to clear this circuit. I am going to use all component. Every new boards are look like that. Here also, this side also. Emitter need 0 0.22 or 33 ohms. Anyone you can use, and base need 10 ohms resistance, and emitter also need one 333 ohms resistance. Wait for a while. I just clean this hole. Now I am going to using the component. This is the resistance, ceramic resistance 5 watt. I am using 0.22 ohms. First I have to use the small one, because if I fix the big one, then I cannot use the small one. To solder, here need to clear. Now using this resistance, now I am going to solder. Always solder nicely. Okay. Every component. This side I use every component. Now another side. Here I need one distance. I need one distance in meter. Base and collector also need to quarter resistance. This is 10 ohms. This is 333 ohms. This is 0.22 ohms. All resistance are ohms. Ohms resistance value are ohms. Okay, I am soldering. Now another side need, this one need. Now need to clear every component I fixed ready. I have cleaning this board. Okay, now I am going to fix this board with this heatsink and resistance and the sorry and the transistor. The heatsink will be like that. Always use thermal paste and the separator. Okay, I already fixed the transistor to the heatsink. Now I am going to fix the heatsink with the transistor with the circuit. This will be here like this. Now I fix the transistor with the circuit. Now I am going to soldering. You also can fix the transistor, because we know that where will be the transistor and which transistor will be. All are written down in the board. This circuit can make 1500 watt. Now I am going to check using this transistor. This circuit no need ground voltage, need only positive and negative voltage. Positive and negative voltage. Here will be the positive voltage and here is the negative voltage. Like a delta amplifier, but delta amplifier ground comes from the circuit, but this circuit needs the ground from the transformer. Now the circuit no need ground voltage, but ground voltage need for the speaker. Now I am plugging. Now I am going to check using the multimeter. It's okay. You can see how many voltage. 100 voltage. Ground 49 49 voltage. And it almost 98 voltage. Now I am going to check using the speaker. Speaker one connector will go to the ground voltage. Okay, the relay will on after using 12 voltage here, 12 or 15 voltage. Then the relay will on. For this case, I am using the speaker output before the relay here, before the relay, before the speaker protection circuit. After I will use after relay speaker protection circuit, after using the 12 voltage. Now I am using direct, not using the speaker protection. Now I am checking this is input. Look, input is working. Input is working. When it all the inputs working well. That means circuit is fully okay. We can use the circuit. We can use the circuit. Thank you for watching the video.